失去道德，迷失方向，因为个人欲望超出了现有的状态，使我们必须努力奋斗来满足无穷无尽的个人欲望。然而，得不到满足的个人欲望，使我们陷入痛苦之中。真谛圣域博物馆也是在这种状态下被建设的。从真谛圣域博物馆5个顶端的雕刻开始，来诠释人类古代应该执行的责任。
One，
天师手持莲花，即立志为天地，认真坚定行善，让社会和谐安宁。
Two，
天师手持经书，继承古代国学知识的经典学术，探索生命的真谛，即我们是谁，来自哪里，生命如何持续下去，什么是生命的真谛。
Three，
天师手牵孩子和扶持老人，生命为人类而生存，要有慈悲之心，尽自己所能帮助社会里的人。
Four，
天使有鸟停在手臂上，并手持稻穗，为人类创造和平，自己实践，获得良好的效果后，再传播给他人。
Five，
天使骑马，和平鸽停在手上，并手持圣花，把前4大责任融合在一起，社会就会和平安宁。接下来，请允许我们带领大家去探索生命真谛的答案。在参观之前，请允许我给大家介绍一下参观博物馆时的行为准则。1、禁止携带水、食物、饮料或宠物进入博物馆内。2、为了表达对博物馆的尊重，请游客着装端庄得体。3、禁止现场直播、商业摄影或使用无人飞行器拍摄。4、请按照参观时刻表。
Different races, religions, and culture. Everyone can live together harmoniously, and it serves as a tool for unity with one another. In 1994, the Elawan Museum was built to let people understand that which is the primary basis for peaceful living. It is sustainable for society, and if we follow the teaching, it motivates us to be good. Then in 1981, the Century of Truth Museum here was built to convey the message of the primary duty of human value to make oneself and fellow human beings together with nature and the environment coexist in peace. The creator realized that fast-growing technology nowadays affects people's way of living. The pressure, conflict, and the trouble generally exist, and the effect of globalization make one have endless desire until death. The meaning of life cautiously disappears, and the chaotic world begins. Those masterpieces, a legacy to build that can pass on to future generations to let people understand that despite of this fact, we still can live together harmoniously by communicating to one through art and carving. We start from the 5 characters you can see at the top of the building or in the paragraph here. The first one is a man holding a lotus flower, represents the strong intention to be a good person. A woman holding a book represents learning the truth. A man with a child and the elderly represent the generosity toward others. The concept is to treat others nicely and respect them in the same way that you want them to treat you. A woman with a bird on an arm holding a rice paddy represents the peace can be started by ourselves first, then we may become a good role model to others. At the higher top, a goddess on a horse with a bird and flower in her hand is a symbol of success for all four characters, which is a life purpose and peace. So now it's time to explore. We would like to bring everyone to find to the answer, the truth of life. If you're ready, everyone, so just to remind you, please put on your wristband. A guide is waiting down there. Please follow a guide for more information and direction. The tour will take only 45 minutes long. After that, you feel free to walk around until 6 p.m. When you go down, please wear helmet before visiting the museum. And all the way down is 66 steps. In case you cannot walk down, please approach us for assistance. Okay, thank you everyone for listening. And hope you will enjoy your visit today. Okay, please show us your wristband and your ticket before enter. Thank you everyone. Please feel the light right there. In the light.
Spend time together around 40 to 45 minutes. Right now we are going to workshop where you can witness how we do our construction work, and after the workshop we will go to the museum. And you can make video and photo between the tour, but don't miss your tour. After the tour you have time till 6 p.m. evening. So the tour is maximum 40 minutes, and just for information, after the tour you have time till 6 p.m. evening. After the tour you can look around by yourself. And after the tour we have a lot of activities for you. Like if you feel tired overhead, we have foot massage, we have rubbing boat, speedboat, elephant riding, horse riding and horse carriage. So if you're interested in any activity, up to the tour you can ask from our staff. Thank you so much everyone for the waiting. So let's start our tour. Okay, everyone, so this piece we are using for column to interlock the column together. And here you can see everyone, pronouns. Yeah, you can touch. And this one is a single decoration piece we call butterfly joint. So you can see from behind it's made from 3 pieces of the wood, but no nails, no steel nails. But here they are using plastic glue, and in the beginning they are using nails, but up to 2-3 days they remove all the nails. Okay everyone, and this one, when they want to put together more decoration pieces, they use this rounded towel and they put more and more and more together. And this technique they use for walls. And this one we use is a nail, wooden pitch and bend. So this is our nail everyone. And inside and outside the museum we have around 170 poles of pillar. So this is the technique of the pillar. Just 3 pieces of the wood, this one for holding the bed, again no nails. And this one is for the floor everyone. And this one is for the ceiling, they hang like this, and again on an audience wood joint technique. So these all are different wood joint technique without nails, no steel nails everyone. And this one is for the roof. This is a single tier roof, but here we have 5-tier roof. Okay everyone, let's start our tour again. For the photos up to the tour you have time till 6 p.m. evening, and at the end of the tour I will give you a professional photo book. So that photo book will help you inside and outside the museum, which part and angle is much better. But now we have to start our tour because every 10 minutes, 5 minutes sometime we have another language guide tour. Okay everyone.